Okay, not used to doing this, documenting what I'm doing when I go out sailing, because I do it for myself and for no one else. But it seems like a bit of a waste, because far out, I mean, look at that, there's the sky's looking angry over there. There's some cool shit going on. We got the sail up, we got the engine going, just because it's a bit of a light wind and we're heading in a bit of a funny direction, so we want to get there quick because the light's going down. There's Auckland City over there, Rangitoto Island. And I got permission from the wife to be able to go sailing. I've taken that opportunity with both hands. Put beer in the fridge, a couple of steaks, some eggs, some bait. I got 5 days, I think. The weather's not very good, but we'll try and make something of it. See what kind of mischief we can get up to.